this mansion tax is put on top of a really slow market where all of a sudden,
Right.
it doesn't matter whether you're making money, losing money, you're going to owe this tax. And the problem is that we don't even know if this money is actually going to, to help the people. I mean, the way that they sold this on the ballot was that, was literally, let's tax the rich and let's go fix the problem with the homeless.
Welp, Mauricio Umansky warned us on this very show about L.A., Los Angeles's mansion tax when it passed, and almost 3 years later, the facts are out, and less than 1%, $9.38 million, has actually gone to affordable housing. 72% of it went to government handouts and bureaucracy, while luxury home sales have tanked 30 to 50%, and further development slowing significantly.
Joining us now is Unleash Prosperity co-founder Steve Moore. Okay, Steve, this might have been the most predictable outcome ever. California wasted money it was supposed to spend to help people. But I think it's important to go through it because, the left always has wonderful ideas like this and just need to try a little bit harder and it'll work next time.
Well, hi, Brian. Hi, Dagan. And that was exactly my reaction to this story is why is anyone surprised that this money isn't going to the purpose it was intended? And, the two states in the country that have the highest taxes on the rich are New York and California. We've talked about this so many times, and they keep putting these higher and higher taxes, trying to pry more money out of the richest 1%. And by the way, those are the two states that are most dependent on the top 1% to pay the freight of government. And so, as we've talked about, what's as a consequence of this, what has happened? Oh, gee, the millionaires out there. We're seeing that, by the way, in California, just in the last few weeks. 3 billionaires moved out to avoid this new wealth tax that they're talking about. So, if you want to keep wealthy people in the state, and you want to keep them paying taxes in the state, don't chase them out with things like these idiot mansion taxes.
Steve, you wrote a piece pitching what you see as one solution to solving the housing shortage,
Yes.
and that is indexing capital gains on residential real estate sales for inflation.
Yep.
Okay, well then you're going to have to get rid of the $500,000 in free capital gains per couple that is already one of the many government handouts for buying a home.
Well, look, what's going on right now is, as you guys know, we have higher prices. People like my kids are being locked out of the housing market because they just can't afford to buy a house. And so one of the ways of solving that problem is, people who bought a house like, my parents say 40 years ago, that house has maybe gone from, they bought it for $250,000. Now it's maybe worth, $1.5 million, except that most of that gain is just due to the inflation over that period. And so what we're saying is, first of all, Dagan, do you think it's fair that we tax people on an inflationary gain? I don't see how that's justified. A lot of people are paying a capital gains tax that can be as high as 50, 60, 70, 80, even over 100% tax on the appreciation of the value of the home when you take out inflation. So if you do the plan that Jeff Yass and I talked about in the Wall Street Journal, you'll get more people selling homes. You'll have more of a supply. And Brian, maybe you can break the tie on this one, but we think this is a great way to increase the supply of housing on the market.
Are you going to have to inflation adjust then the gains in the stock market? Why does it have to be houses, number one? And then,
Look,
while you're at it,
should
get rid of the step up in cost basis, which is a huge tax dodge for so many rich people.
Wait. Dagan, you and I agree on about 90% of things. I disagree with you in this. I don't see how it is fair to tax people on inflationary gains. If the inflation rate's gone up by 50% and the value of the home has gone up by 50%, you haven't made a gain. So, Brian, why are we taxing it? You've been kind of quiet here, Brian.
Well, no, I enjoy a good debate. I've been talking about this. I'm interested in this idea because it's kind of a supply freeing thing, right? If you're in your home And you can give somebody a greater after-tax gain on their home if they take a lower home price with this policy. Now, I am sitting next to somebody who will remind me every day the problems we have with our budget deficit and debt, and I'm sympathetic to that. So, Steve, one question I have is, if you do this, are you putting our government in a worse fiscal situation, or do you get some kind of Laffer curve thing here?
Okay, Brian, I'm glad you asked that question, because and you're going to have to go back and read our piece in the Wall Street Journal this morning, because it's gotten a lot of attention. It wouldn't lose revenue, because what happens right now is there's something called step-up at basis at death. And so what's happening is people are they can't afford to sell their house because the tax would be so high. And the way they dodge paying the tax is if you die before you sell it, then your heirs get a step-up basis and no capital gains tax is paid at all. So Dagan and Brian, this is actually going to raise money for the government, because people won't wait 20 years to sell their house. They'll do it now. They'll pay a tax now, and everybody comes out better off. The people who want to buy a home, the people who want to sell a home, and the federal treasury is better off.
All right. Now, Steve, you may have gotten me over to your side. I was watching Dagan's face as you were finishing up that sentence. I don't know that she's with you quite yet, so we may have to.
The housing market and all the realtors are to get a $500 billion subsidy every year, and it includes a capital gains tax exclusion of $500,000. It is garbage. Okay, I want my gains on my stocks and gold and Bitcoin indexed to inflation too.
Steve, I'll tell you what, circle the wagons, come back, we'll do it again. I think there's hope here, but I think that we got to leave it there today. Steve Moore, always appreciate your creativity and your good humor. It's so fun to geek out on economics with you. Thank you, sir.
You guys, thank you very much.
Thank you, Steve. I love you.